Before we start, let's have a word about chestnuts. This is a horse chestnut. It's kind of smooth, well, a bit knobbly in places, but generally pretty smooth. This is a sweet chestnut. It has a flattish side, as you can see, and it has a cute little tail at the end. How sweet is that? Lovely. Sweet chestnuts also come in these incredibly spiky and quite sharp nut cases. It's like a little baby hedgehog. Cute. Oh, it's got one inside. Now, why am I telling you this? Well, you may be tempted to go out and forage for your own chestnuts. But what you need to know is that sweet chestnuts are good. Horse chestnuts will make you very ill. So don't try this recipe with horse chestnuts. If you don't fancy foraging, you can usually get nets of sweet chestnuts in the autumn from your local supermarket. You'll need to prepare them, and there's lots of videos out there telling you how to roast them. I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to cheat and use these ready prepared sweet chestnuts. Source of fibre. That's S-O-U-R-C-E, not S-A-U-C-E. English is such a difficult language. So here are my chestnuts, fresh from the pack. Let's chop them, just coarsely. That'll do nicely. Just try them. Sweet. Heat a tablespoon of your favourite oil in a pan. Add 1 medium onion chopped and a small leek chopped. And sauté. When the onions have gone translucent, squeeze in a clove of garlic and cook for a further minute. Now add in 800 mils of vegetable stock, 250 mils of milk and 500 grams of chopped cauliflower. This happens to be homegrown cauliflower. Mix it all up and bring it to the boil. When it comes to the boil, give it a quick stir, cover, turn the heat down and simmer for about 15 minutes. Once the cauliflower is tender, you can add in the chestnuts. Give it a good stir and cook it for about another minute. Now turn off the heat. Smooth. What do you mean you don't have a whizzy toy? Get a whizzy toy and get a life. And also get an apron. Now it tastes quite nice as it is. But I'm going to bam this up. Bam! By crumbling in 60 grams of blue cheese. This happens to be Stilton, but you can use your favourite blue cheese. You can also add more or less, or none, or lots. Bring it back to the boil. Whoop, Yellowstone. Turn that down. Check the soup. I think I'll have a little more cheese. Check once again. Yep, seasoning's good, taste is good. Now serve. Serve with some Parmesan cheese and a little bit of ground black pepper. Lovely. Well, that's it. Recipe's over. Got nothing more to say, really. You can go now. Why are you still here?